Mine mid joined. Somebody. Mine mid.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me just scoot completely.
Hey, Mitt.
Mine mid.
What's up?
Oh, not much, bud. Just got done with the museum. Okay, Langra, you bringing the materials out here?
I already got. I got you. What the heck? I got the material.
Well, remember it lags, so it always goes back a little bit. So, will you please get the materials and pull up here behind the fuel truck? Make sure everything's on the trailer. Hey, Mitt. So I'm gonna get another job going. So let's see.
Yeah, I need to buy the material.
Let's see. What should I get going here? Um.
Material goes on. Heavy hauler.
You want to do a little quick transport job, Mitt?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, yeah, based off of look at the materials once I accept it and see if it just needs the little runner flatbed with the crane. Go ahead. It's a transport job, so you'll have to track that job, and you go ahead and take care of that job for me, please.
I'm coming with the materials right now.
Okay, thank you.
Just turn
And,
off my hazard lights.
and I'll get another job going. Maybe I'll start the soccer complex stadium.
Well, Omega, I think the grandstand is like the stadium building.
Yeah, soccer stadium. I assume we're gonna build the whole thing because there's pedestrian bridge, grandstand, VIP lounges, entrance, and pitch. So I believe that's all of them in phases.
Yeah, it might be.
Okay, so yeah, I figure we'll start on that. So I'm gonna accept that. Okay, so I'm gonna go out for the briefing on that.
Something. I think somebody doing it.
Yep. You got a mic? Hey, Ferreira, you got a mic? You got to have a mic to be in my game.
Yo.
Is
It's
this
me, Dragon.
Hey, oh, is this you, Dragon, as Ferreira?
Yeah, it's me, Dragon.
Oh, okay, what, do you got a different account? How'd you get a different name?
I changed my Steam name.
Okay, sounds good. Okay.
I didn't know I was gonna change my name in here.
Okay, you're at the wrong job, Mitt. This isn't the transport one.
Shit.
So, yeah, you got to track it. This is the soccer stadium.
Hello. Nice to meet you. I'm Sammy, the project's architect. I'm also supervising the construction. Can't believe we're building a stadium for Friedenberg. My dad and I are huge fans. It was an honor to meet the club president, a very critical woman, let me tell you. Despite all our planning, she still wasn't convinced that we can deliver because... Never mind. let's prove her wrong and start with the pedestrian bridge. After all, the locals should have a safe way to reach the stadium. If you have any questions about the plans or can't read my handwriting, just let me know.
Dragon left.
Yeah, he probably was getting lag. Okay, are you done dropping off? Are you done dropping off that materials at the runway, Langra?
Yeah, I got the heavy hauler right here.
Okay, so will you get on in the other heavy hauler, which should be empty? Notice the one you're in. Check, get it, stay in it, and go to the fast menu. So you're not. So you see which one you're in, and then you can spawn in the other one, and track the pedestrian bridge, and then okay, and then would you go? Then would you please go pick up all the materials for the pedestrian bridge, and bring it out here on the heavy hauler?
Okay, hauler the shop. Get it out. Get it out. A lot of materials, I'm gonna have to tell you.
Yeah, it's not that much. That heavy hauler can hold all that and then some.
God, we didn't buy the cargo trailer. It doesn't even carry that much, but it carries a lot.
And you want to do auto load on the material. So make sure before you load it out into the warehouse, you click auto load, and it'll automatically auto load it on to the trailer. Okay.
Okay. Well, Mega, two of your machines are outside of the shop. Should I put them in the warehouse?
They're at the headquarters.
Yeah, they're at headquarters.
Yeah, anything sitting at the headquarters, yes, you can make sure that you put those in. Make sure it's those ones, though. I don't know what it is.
The soil compactor and the tracker.
Oh, well, no. Oh, okay, no, those are going to come over here. I pulled them out, so never mind. Those are going to come out here to the runway because we're going to need them. So I pulled them out so I could just fast travel them over here.
Let me just see them. I know what to get. So, steel tree. Nothing.
Sorry, I got kicked.
Yeah, no, I figured as much.
Fast travel to the don't have to buy the auto materials. I already have the auto load activated, so I buy the material. I don't need it.
Yep. Get all the materials.
Okay, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5.
What you need
Okay,
done, Omega?
Did you finish that transport job? Did that transport job get done?
I'm trying to get over there to it right now.
Okay. So yeah, if you take care of that transport job for me, I appreciate it.
Well, that was Dragon that was asking.
Okay, who am I talking to now?
Mitt.
Oh, okay, Mitt. Okay, so Dragon, you need something to do?
What you got, boss?
Would you bring the track hoe and the soil compactor over here to the runway? We're going to need it shortly. Thank you.
Okay, Omega, I got the materials for the pedestrian bridge, and they're all over there.
Okay, will you start unloading those metal beams and everything on the trailer that needs to be placed on the ground? Go ahead and do that. Then tell me what the next phase is. So I'm tracking my phase right now. So let me know what's, after you do that, let me know what's coming up next.
Next is attacking.
So how's Omega doing today?
Oh, I'm doing good, buddy. How you doing?
Just waiting for the car to cool off so I can do a coolant flush.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my boss called me today and asked if I was ready to go back to work next week, and I said yep. So I might be going back to work next week.
Oh, that's good. Gotta make that money, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, Dragon. You got the roller and the track hoe over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as soon as I get this topsoil stripped, it should be compact in this area. So if you want to get ready for that, make sure the roller's probably, since it came out of the shop, it should be fueled up. Okay, there we.
Omega, should I get some of the dump trucks? Some.
Did you get the metal on the ground in the place over there at the soccer stadium?
Wait, no.
Take care of that. That's what I asked you to do first. So take care of that, like I said, and then let me know what comes up next over there, please. Okay, Dragon, if you want to get that stuff, I guess they're not, okay, compact soil, yep. So yeah, to go ahead and do the compaction, and then you can place the materials over here at the runway.
Three steel beams and 5 steel beams.
So Mitt, you're picking up the chemical drums?
Yeah, I'm hauling them right now.
Oh, okay, perfect. Were you able to get them all in the little flatbed?
Yeah.
Copy. Okay, so that's getting taken care of.
Then should I come back to the runway?
Just, no, like I said, just let me know when that gets done. I might have you do the next phase over there, depending on what it is.
has been finished. Check what. Okay, let me unpack these materials. Structure. Yeah, final protection. Omega, can I get the small crane over here to the steel components?
What is it you need?
I need the small library crane.
Yeah, you can't use the self-loading crane on the heavy hauler. If you pull the heavy hauler up, all that stuff's on the trailer can be used with there's no sense in getting that crane over there when the heavy hauler has a crane on it. You pull up next to it. That's the whole idea of being efficient. Pull that trailer up right next to it and offload it. That's creating more work. You're already in that truck over there. See what I'm saying? You got to think efficient, dude. That's just creating more work. So that's the kind of thinking you want to think about. See, I have to think that way because you weren't. But now, because I told you about it, you can start thinking like that. Try to be as efficient as you can with everything that you do. Think of everything around you and what's going on to be the most efficient. If it was a job that you had and you're trying to save money, think about it as your own job, what you would want to have done.
Hi, Omega.
Yeah.
I got these drums delivered and unloaded. It's fine if I talk to the foreman, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, if I lay you out on a job like that, you can go ahead and finish it so I can start another one. Cool, thank you.
Alright, I'm all done.
Okay, I'll start another job in that. So if you want to put that truck in the shop, I will, as soon as I set this down, I will look at the available jobs, contracts. Okay. Let's see. You want to do another transport job?
Yeah, what do we need for that transport?
Almost looks like the exact same job. That's crazy. It looks like it might be the exact same thing. So you'd be grabbing the same truck again. There you go. Transport. Yeah, go ahead and do that. So I'm trying to get contracts and do campaign stuff. So I'm kind of equally going through shit. Okay, Dragon, do you got that rolled?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see here. Runway, track. Excavate construction pit. Okay, bro, here's the excavator. Actually, that's bigger than what we're going to need. So go ahead and leave that there. This is too much for the Traco. Why don't you grab the D8 and start bringing that over here. And I'll lay you out on which way I want it pushed. What's most efficient. Oh, that's not the D8, is it?
You mean the big one?
Yeah, that's the D8. Yeah, we need the D8. That thing doesn't move as much material as a D8, so go ahead and put that one back. We need the D8.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah.
Omega, we might need another heavy hauler because I need to haul materials from the steel trade. And
Okay, go ahead and grab the other ones out here. So go ahead and grab number 3, heavy hauler, 5th wheel, and trailer 3. It'll spawn at the headquarters. Hook up and go get that stuff, please. And then if it tells you to place it somewhere, place it. If not, just leave it on the trailer so we don't lose the product. And then let me know what happens next after that, please.
oh my god, I just found heavy hauler 3. What's that? No.
Okay, that's fine. There's nothing on it, right? Okay, Dragon, what you're going to do is you're taking half of this. I'm standing at halfway. So you want to get in the way I'm facing. You're going to push dirt from half the distance because it's not efficient to push dirt the whole way. The only time we do that is when there's too much shit in the way and you can't really do that. So you're going to start halfway and push all this half towards the track hoe and the heavy hauler. And once all this half is cleaned off it down to your subgrade, you're going to turn around and push the other half the other way, okay? So you start on one edge and work your way over, and then when you're down here on this edge finishing up, you're going to turn around and then go back the other way. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So you can do that.
It's not that deep.
Okay. Yeah, I assumed it probably wasn't, but that dozer's the widest blade. It's wider than the other one, so you'll be able to move the most product the fastest.
I can't hold on the
Okay, Langra, it's showing you where to place all that product when you show up. Are you you should be able to pick it up with the if it doesn't, see if there's it's probably going to be on the ground, right? Or is it going to be where you, okay, so you have to crane it up off.
the steel trade.
What?
I have to get out the steel trade. That's real. Okay. So I'll go back for the other two.
Okay, I'm over here at the steel factory looking for the product. Okay, I see them. You can get all that in one load. See if they let us do more than that. We should be able to hopefully get all of it. Okay, they're only letting us do a certain amount at a time. So you'll be able to load both of those on the trailer and take them over and drop them off, and then you should be able to come back and get some more.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm coming back to get the two.
Okay, it only let you pick up, what, one of them on that last load? Or
Last time on the first. Oh, dang it! I just hit the receipt. I need
was there all this product sitting here when you came the first time?
Yeah. But I had to take it in one because I couldn't take both of them because the materials were too big. That's actually two, and that's actually two. That's two.
So you couldn't get two of those on the trailer?
No, I could, but I couldn't get everything on the trailer.
You couldn't what?
I couldn't get everything on the trailer.
How come?
Because when I was in solo before I had multiplayer, I was doing the pedestrian bridge, right? I tried to load it up on two, on top of both of them, but it didn't work for some reason. I had to.
Okay, because yeah, you should be able to load two, and you only took one over, so I don't understand why you didn't take two then. See what I'm saying? There's plenty. It's going to load two onto it, and you only took one over. You need to make sure the trailer's fully loaded, dude. Okay? Always take as much as the trailer can hold. Thank you. And if you can't reach the back of the trailer with the truck, that's why you can uncouple it. So you move the trailer over and put your truck in between the trailer and the product and pull it up where you can load the ass end. Okay? That's how you do it. If you can't reach the back, pull over and pull it up. So you do the first one to your passenger side first, so you're staying efficient, and then you just back up and do the other one. Thanks, Mitt.
Yeah.
Okay, don't shelf that truck yet. I'm going to get another job going, and it might be another transport. Let's see. Bulk material transport. Let's see what this one is. Okay, here's another transport. It looks like it's probably going to be a dump truck. So I'll start that one for you. You go ahead and take care of that job.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
You have to let me know if we have to load the material ourselves, or they're going to load it for us.
We're gonna have to load it ourselves. I did one of these jobs on my personal.
Yep. So yeah, you could grab the loader. It'll load the fastest. It's a 7.5 yard bucket on that. I should have do I not have a front end loader yet?
Yeah, you should.
I might not have bought one yet. Okay, I haven't bought one yet. I'll go buy one. It'll be a Doosan. It's the biggest bucket. Same one I had in my other account. Okay, there's a Doosan for you.
Alrighty.
Okay, you got to clear the area after that, Langra, and then it'll trigger the next phase, buddy. Oh, it looks like you're going to have to put that stuff up.
Hey, did you start that job yet?
What job? I did.
The
Oh, yeah, I thought I did.
transport?
I thought I did.
What? It ain't popping up on my map, and it ain't popping up out of my map.
Yeah, you got to go over to active jobs and track it. It's going right now. I've accepted it. So you just got to track it.
Alright.
What you doing, Langra? Leave that crane ain't gonna pick this shit up, dude. Go ahead and hook back up. You should be able to tell that by the size. And that crane don't have the length you're gonna need. You're gonna need the one of the mobile cranes that's out. So you can grab number 1 6-axle from over at the museum. Bring it over here and set it up. And the most efficient place to set it up is going to be right where I'm standing. So I'll wait for you to get over here. So you need to back it in, because the pivot point's off the back. So back into here, so you got less boom. You got a telescope out.
I'm just gonna go in here so then I come back in.
So come up to me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, right there. That you might have to go a little bit to your left. We'll see how your stabilizers are. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, just enough room, it looks like. There you go. Okay. Looks good, Dragon. Good job, buddy. Way to go.
Thanks.
Let's see what we got here. Runway. So we got unpacking, strip foundation. We got cable work, trenching. Okay, you'll be doing some trenching coming up. Nice. There you go. Looks like your corner to your left has got some dirt in it over here. I can see the stake. It's got a bunch of dirt in that corner, and then it should do it. You got a little bit to your right, right on the line.
Omega, I need one of the pump trucks.
What do you need?
One of the pump truck.
You need a dump truck?
Pump truck.
Oh, did it trigger a pour?
No, but I just need, yeah, I triggered a pull.
Okay, let me come over and take a look at it, see how big it is.
Oh, it's not that big. It's just just need, but you can not that long.
Okay, let me see. Where's it at? It's up there. Is it up there on the walkway? Where is it? Is it up on the stuff you just said? Or is it down here? Langra? Where is it? Is it above us?
Hey, Omega,
Yeah.
do you mind if I stay in the game while I hurry up and go knock out this flush on my car real quick?
Yeah. Stay in the game. Keep your position. Just jump out of the equipment or whatever you're in case somebody needs to finish it or use it.
Okay, sounds good. It should only take me half an hour.
You're good. You're fine. Just make sure you're out of the area or anything so we can, just so. Thank you. Okay, Langra, this is, chances are this is going to go up a lot higher. So what you need to do is grab the big pump truck number 1 and bring the Solo with it and take care of this, okay? And here's where you need to set it up. Is there a road down here? Okay, where you need to set, let me show you where you need to set it up. Because it looks like you're only going to be able to get out here. So, let me see if there's another spot. There's a way to get in here. Okay, looks like you're going to have to try to reach it from up here, which that thing should. So here's what you got to do. You got to nose into here, but know where your stabilizers are going to come out. So I would set the nose probably like right here and keep your stabilizers, try to get your stabilizer right here, your front one. And then you're going to have to get the Solo truck. You got this big ass piece right here. So you're going to have, you probably got to come in at an angle. Okay, you probably got to come in at an angle so your Solo can get into the hopper. So I'd come in here like this at this angle. You got the bridge up here, so you're going to have to watch your boom when you raise it. So you're going to have to come up as far as you can. Wow, this is going to be... Go ahead and get the pump truck over here first, and I'm going to try to get it in here while you get this. Once you drop the pump truck off, grab the Solo, and I'm going to see if how we can get this pump truck in here. Please. Might have to try to drive it down off the slope.
another job, Omega.
Okay, let me lay you out on one. If you want to go back, if you want to go to the runway, you can pick up where Dragon left off. If you want to head out there, there's some unpacked construction materials, and chances are it's going to go into pouring. So you got a concrete truck out there, Junior. So he's self-contained for concrete and pump. It shouldn't be a very big.
Alrighty.
Yeah, it shouldn't be a very big pour. So just use Junior. Okay, Langra got dropped, so I assume he'll be coming back.
I got some trenching to do over here.
Okay, go ahead and do it. I'll come over. I'll come over and just make sure you're gonna do it the proper way. I'll be over. Okay, you'll be starting behind you.
Huh?
You'll be starting behind you. Or no, you actually, yeah, you can go this way. That's fine. I just looked at it. Either way is fine. So what I would do first is dig this. Yep, dig this first, get it to here, and then proceed onward. And just go around the horn. So when you come down here, you'll just cross over and start digging this end back. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right. So you'll be over there by the roller. You just walk over here, and then you just proceed down there. So you'll be finishing down there, which is perfect because all this stuff needs to be unloaded. So you'll have the track hoe here, so you can pull the trailer up and just offload with the track hoe. It'll be already right here.
Right.
Copy. Yeah, and put all your dirt to the inside of the in this area, so that way it doesn't leave it as a windrow for our vehicles over here staging to fuel and pull up trailers. Please.
Right.
Yeah, and just make sure you clean it out so we don't have to go back and fucking redig it again because it wasn't dug right the first time. So over dig, please. Don't leave the edges right on the line. Just over dig it. So yeah, every stake shouldn't have dirt right fucking next to it. Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, not much. Just running some jobs here and playing with some guys online, laying them out on multiple jobs I'm running.
Nice.
Yeah, so how's it going out there?
It's going good.
Nice.
Yeah. I had
I'm back.
Okay.
I talked to Darren last night, and then all day today I couldn't get a hold of him. I called the lady in her office, asked if he was there, because his phone doesn't get good service in the office. Said no, and I'm just like, geez, Christ.
Yeah. Hey, Langra, grab that solo truck and reset it up here, please. You need to follow me with this pump truck so we can get this poured. Go ahead, Brandon.
But it's just like, it's irritating.
Right.
I don't know what. He'll probably have some fucking bullshit excuse why he wasn't here today and why he didn't answer his phone all fucking day.
Right.
Just one thing after fucking another.
Yeah. Is the weather nice over there today?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it's nice over here, too. I took Starfire for a drive.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice out. Well, Pat gets home today from Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, he was out there for a week.
Okay. Hey, Langra, you're going to have to come down here and go around the guardrail like I just did and come over here. It's the only way to get across here, okay?
What game are you playing?
Construction Sim.
Well, isn't there like a couple of them out now?
Yeah, this is the one that's got a cat track hoe with a blue fence on the left side of it. It came out in 22. It's pretty badass.
Yeah.
They
I got
They
I got one of them,
they
but
they said
Go
that
ahead.
they said that the same company that makes this, they got another one coming out, dude. That's going to have demolition. It's coming out. It's called Construction Sim Evolution, and it's coming out in like end of December. So basically the end of the year, start of next year, it'll be out, and it looks fucking badass, dude.
I got one of the construction simulators, but it is super fucking irritating because it keeps having me do the same fucking job.
Okay, it's probably an older one. Do you remember what the picture of it is on the game?
I could probably look it up, but yeah, it keeps having me do these fucking stupid paving jobs and shit.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's the one with the dozer on it, like the D8 cat, or it's the other one with the trackhoe dumping dirt. And I don't think it's going to be this one because I don't. My game, this one doesn't do that. I mean, you choose your jobs. There's campaign jobs to do, and there's contracts.
I don't know which one I have.
Yeah, this is the best one.
Well, I think it's Construction Simulator 3.
Okay, yeah, that's the one with the trackhoe. Yeah, dude, this is the better one.
Yeah, the third one fucking sucks.
Yeah, this is technically the fourth one, but they didn't call it the fourth one. But this is the one. It's got a trackhoe, a cat trackhoe, a 349, right next to a blue fence on the left side. This is the best one.
Yeah, well, I seen the cover picture. I'm like, fuck, that looks like it'd be cool. And then I got it. And
Sucks balls.
dude, it's like you can't, like, the trucks in the game are so fucking stupid. They're like cab over flatbed deals.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's better, dude. I don't think that one was multiplayer. This one's multiplayer. You can have up to 4 people, so we could play together, dude. So
Well, I got Xbox.
So that's fine. Xbox and PC, it's cross-platform, dude.
Oh,
So if you get this one, dude, it's only like $26, and then there's some DLCs for extra equipment like Sani and Libeer. So if you end up deciding to want to get it, let me know. We can play together, dude. I can help you out on your if you're doing your own game multiplayer. I can help you out, and I can give you millions of dollars so you can start off with a nice fleet of equipment, trucks.
yeah.
Right. So yeah, this game's badass, dude. We would be kicking ass, knowing that we work we do this shit for a living. We'd be fucking kicking ass, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, it's I think it's the third one, but yeah, as they keep doing the same fucking, one's like a paving job, and then the other one's like a cut, but
Yeah.
it's super fucking difficult because you'll do the cut, and then it'll say the cut's not fucking done when it's all cut, and it's just irritating.
Yeah, that's why they came out with another one not long away, because that one sucked. So I was doing stripping some topsoil in here, and they got a cat road grader, like a 240, and took a picture because I run all the equipment first person, so it's a badass fucking detail and shit. So I'm in the road grader, see my windrow in front of me getting ready to cut, and I sent it to my boss. I've sent him some other pictures, and he said, oh, that looks pretty cool. So I sent him a picture of while I was in the road grader, and said, hey, have a great day. He called me literally almost instantly right after and said, that's cool, man. He goes, you ready to go back to work? And I said, yeah. So yeah, he said next week. He goes, let me get my shit together, basically, and we'll get you back up there on the fire road. So yeah, it looks like I'll be back at work next week doing finishing up my fire road up there.
Oh, sweet, make some money.
Fuck yeah, man.
Yeah, it's always good. My buddy, I was talking to him, my buddy Marcus, he's got a solo dump truck, Peterbilt, that he owns, that he's never ran it. He bought it and had a bunch of shit redone on it. Nice looking truck, I think a 96 or a 97. And he never ran it. Me and Cole were always like, dude, why don't you just fucking go run it? Like, it just fits. Just go fucking work the thing.
Right.
Alright, Omega, we need some more
And he's like, well, I think I'm going to put
Yeah,
a
I know.
driver in.
on the bridge.
He goes, I think I'm going to put a driver in it. I'm like, oh my God, dude, you only got one truck. Just drive the fucking thing. By the time you pay a driver and pay the fuel and pay the insurance, pay the maintenance, you're not making any fucking money. It's almost costing you money.
Yeah. So it's the just a second, real quick, Brandon. Hey, Langra, is that concrete up there on that fucking pedestrian bridge that you just set?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pull that fucking crane out of there and get that pump truck hooked up and set back a ways so you're not pinched and can't pour in front of the truck. Set it back a ways because it's got reach, and get that solo truck backed up to it, please. Thank you. Okay, Brandon.
But, yeah, I was like, dude, you would be absolutely fucking retarded if you ran that truck and put a driver in it.
Right.
They said it's one truck. You need to own or operate that truck.
Right.
And I said, yeah, maybe. I said, even if you have two trucks, you still need to be driving one of them. The time when you get out of a truck and start running your company is when you got 7, 8 trucks.
Exactly. Yeah, one fucking truck. He should be running that thing himself.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Fuck.
And that's what Cole told him too. Cole's like, dude, it will almost cost you fucking money. And then Marcus tells me today, he was talking about it, and he goes, well, I'm not going to be working for these low fucking wages. I'm like, dude, a solo truck right now is making $170 and $175 an hour. What are you going to do? Try to charge them a truck and trailer rate? They're going to go to the next guy.
Exactly. Hey, you need to reset your crane, Langra. You're twitching, so that's your internet must be sucking right now. Your crane's twitching.
On my
So,
screen,
I was like, dude, it's really...
On my screen, it's fine.
Okay. So yeah, go ahead, Brandon.
I said, dude, it's super. I said, trucking is one of the most competitive industries there fucking is. You cannot be fucking... I mean, don't work for free, but you're not...
Pull up more and stay to your right because you got to do this whole thing. So you want to be kind of in the center so you can do it in one position. Go ahead, Brandon.
I was like, you don't do it for free. You're not doing it for a hobby, but I said it's also, you can't be greedy either. I said there's there's
back up, Langra.
Hundreds.
You're too close, dude. Go back. Right there.
There's hundreds of fucking trucks in Washington State that will if you want to charge $175, there's 100 more ways to charge $170 an hour.
Right.
I mean, that's just how it is. So,
yeah.
especially when you're just starting out and no one knows who you are yet. And no one knows who you are yet. You can't be charging fucking $175, $180 an hour for a fucking solo when a truck and trailer is $185.
Well, yeah, not to mention if you're just starting out, are you really going to trust someone else to fuck up your first fucking jobs to lose them forever?
Yeah.
Right.
So it's very stupid.
It's totally stupid. I wouldn't fucking pay for somebody to run my trucks until I got so overwhelmed that it wasn't fucking efficient for me.
Well, Cole's got 5 trucks, and he's still driving one of them.
Exactly.
So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Right.
I told Marcus, I said, dude, you're going to be paying a guy per hour. You're going to be paying the fuel. You're going to be paying the insurance.
Start in the corner. Start in the corner. Okay, go ahead. Start.
You got to pay taxes on the guy's payroll every week or every 2 weeks, however often you pay them. And then I said, say the fucking truck breaks down on the side of the road, and you're out doing something you can't make it. Well, now you're paying $150 an hour for a mobile service guy, and he's going to charge you $150 an hour plus per mile he has to drive.
Right.
I was like, dude, it'd be absolutely the dumbest fucking thing you do is if you put a driver in that truck and try to run it.
Okay, keep your boom up, dude. Your boom's hit. Get your boom up. See, it's hitting the bridge. Get your boom up and scissor the dipper back. You can scissor the dipper back and forth so the boom isn't going to glitch on the bridge. Go ahead, Brandon. Sorry.
What what job are you doing right now on that game?
Soccer stadium. We're building the pedestrian bridge going over the freeway, and then we're doing it in phases. There's like 5-6 phases. So let me get to it and tell you. So it's a campaign. DLC soccer stadium. The first thing we're doing is pedestrian bridge, and then we go to grandstand, then we go to VIP lounges, and then we go to pitch.
Oh.
Yeah. So this job, this portion of it is $574,000. It's 5 stages.
Okay,
yeah,
I can't refill the cement truck, the solo.
Okay, here, I'll make you a foreman. Okay. There you go.
Alright, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay, yeah, go ahead, Brandon.
They got a ribbon cutting at that farmer's market we did in Renton on Saturday.
Oh, okay.
But Darren told me about it. He's like, yeah, I'm going to swing by. I'm like, fuck that. I ain't going for that shit.
Dude, your boom's on the bridge, dude. Keep your boom up. Keep it in a view where you can see your boom, dude. You're going to get it glitched and stuck. Bring scissor down that gray part, dude. That's how you come in with your boom up. You scissor down. And if the boom starts coming down when you scissor, push up with the boom. There you go. There you go. Because that thing will tuck all the way in, dude. And you'll be right off the end of the orange. Okay, go ahead, Brandon.
But, yeah, Darren's like, they're doing a ribbon cutting at the job in Renton on Saturday. And I was like, that's cool. And he goes, yeah, I think I'm going to go. And I'm like, why? I mean, what the fuck is the point of going to that shit?
Right.
Stupid.
Yeah, I'm excited to come back up there, dude, and bring Starfire. I've yet to bring them up because I've had issues with them. So by the time I come up there, hopefully I'll have, if I come up this year, I don't know. I wasn't planning on doing my carburetor because that tree falling on my truck set me back. I would have had all that on by now with the 3500 I've had to put in to fix my fucking damage. But I need an alternator, so alternator, electric fan, and pulleys. That's what that's on my agenda this year to get done. So, if he's running better, I got to keep my battery charged. I'm not driving over there with fucking issues on my truck and get fucking broken down in the middle of the fucking desert.
Yeah.
Right. But I definitely like to come over, hopefully when I get laid off, you guys got still a big job going and you guys could use me and I could come over.
Well, like I said, we're getting ready. I think July is when we're starting that Puyallup job.
Right.
So, and then I think we got another job in Issaquah. That's a big fucking job, the one in Issaquah. It's for apartments.
Yeah.
But the storm out there is, the tie-in for it is 26 feet deep.
Ooh.
And then I think we're running at 24 feet I think it goes from 26 to, 24 feet deep at 24 feet long.
That'll be a double stack coffin box on that one.
We'll be digging it with a 450.
Right. So is that concrete or are they going to do a big plastic pipe?
I think it's an 18-inch plastic pipe, PVC.
Okay. ADS.
Yeah, probably something like that. But
right.
Yeah, we got to use we're setting the manhole, so it's a 2-foot sump, so we're going to be about 30 feet deep setting the manhole.
So you're going to need a track hoe with a packer plate on it.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, that's going to be a big job. That's fucking got to pack and lifts. You're going to have quite a few guys.
That's just one thing of utilities on the job. We still have the sewer and all the rest of the storm to do, and there's a 12,000 yard fill that's out there, and there's it's a 12,000 ton cut, so however many 12,000 tons is in truck yards.
Right.
The 12,000 ton cut, and then I think 14,000 ton or 16,000 ton fill.
Yeah, so 1.4 thousand pounds is typically 1 yard.
Yeah, so there's a big fucking cut and a big fucking fill. I know that.
Cool. I'd like to be over there on the fucking cut and fill.
Well, that Puyallup is 30,000 yard cut.
Oh yeah, you guys are gonna be busy, man. That makes me happy because I'd love to come over there and run a D8 or a 450 for you guys.
Well, I know in Puyallup, I think we're gonna have a D8, a 450, and a 270 out there. And I think we're bringing. I know in Issaquah we need a 450 there.
Right.
I mean, if both these jobs are going to be going at the same fucking time, so we're going to have to either go buy some more equipment or probably buy it. I don't know.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'd just fucking buy a 450 if you guys can figure out what your payments and instead of.
I don't know. We'd buy a 450 because we got two of them. So we'd probably send one 450 to one job and send the other 450 to another. We'd probably go buy like a Cat 336, like a 360.
Right.
So I think our plan, I think we're running 9 trucks out of Puyallup going to Issaquah, and the trucks are parking on the job in Issaquah.
Right.
So I think our plan is we're trying to get 3 excavators in Puyallup with a D8 dozer in Puyallup. And then I think we're trying to do, I think they're going to try to run 2 crews in Issaquah, where one crew is cutting and filling and the other crew is doing on-site utilities and stuff.
Right. Yeah, I'm streaming live on YouTube, bro. You could actually, if you ever wanted to see what I'm doing, I'm Kelly Camo live on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll take a look sometime.
Yeah, you can see what the graphics are in this game and what it's like. Pretty badass.
Yeah. But I would really like to I got a guy lined up. He does all the photography and stuff for the Kenworth truck calendars. And anyways, I got him lined up. Once we start these jobs, he's going to come out and do photo shoots and do a nice video with the drone and everything of all the trucks coming in. And I'm going to have, when he's videoing it, I'm going to have 2 separate stockpiles, and I'm going to have one machine up on one pile loading the truck and another machine up on the other loading the trailer.
Oh, cool.
He'll come out and fly his drone and get videos of the D8 pushing and a 450 cutting and 2 360s loading. And
that'll be badass.
Yeah. He'll kind of make a little edit out of it.
Yeah, that'd be super cool.
But yeah, this guy does all the filming and photography for Kenworth. So he goes down to their warehouse, and I think Chicago. They fly him out somewhere, wherever their warehouse is. I can't remember, but
right.
And he does video montages for building the Kenworth trucks and does all the photography for Kenworth calendars that they have that they sell.
No, nice.
So he's fucking good.
Oh yeah.
Fucking expensive, but he's good.
Well, yeah, Kenworth's using them. That's saying something.
Kenworth uses them.
Peterbilt
uses them.
Yeah, that's badass.
He does a lot of shit.
Good job, Langra. You're doing great, buddy.
Well, I'm just pulling into my house here. I got to get some things straightened up before Bailey gets home. So.
Cool. Well, tell her I said hi and say hi to the kids, and stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon, bud.
Here, talk to you later.
All right, brother. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Good job, Langra.
Thanks.
Yeah, doing a great job, bud. Yeah, the biggest thing with that pump truck is you got to keep the boom off the walls, otherwise it'll glitch and stick to it. And then you got to hold mixer away, reset, and it's cost efficient. It's not cost efficient, and it's, so you got to get in a view where you can see your boom, so you don't do that. You just scissor that gray part back and forth. So you're doing a great job. I don't know what happened to Mitt. Maybe he had something to do. So I was talking to my buddy on the phone, so he probably didn't want to interrupt to say goodbye. If it was internet, he would have been back by now. Trying to figure out what my one meal should be today. Ugh. Go see what's in my freezer. Good job.
No problem.
Yep, just go ahead and get that boom backwards and down low. Just leave it there because chances are you're going to have to pour the walkway, the ramp down. So that'll be close to this side. So, yep. Oh, it is right here. Pour concrete. So, yep, keep pouring. So, nope, it's right here. Go ahead and start pouring. So that'll be the same on the other side then too. So start with this side since the truck's closer to this side. Then hopefully you'll be able to reach all the way out down here. You might not be able to. It looks like it's probably not going to make it. So in that sense, what you'll do is do as much as you can in that position. And then you'll slide over here to the left so you can reach the last part.
Here, let me just...
Yep. There you go. Yep.
What is right now?
What's that?
Watching your screen.
Oh, cool.
actually helps me out because now I can see what I have to do on the pedestrian bridge.
Yep.
Alright, let me start from the top so then I...
You remember what heavy hauler that is on this job? Is it 4 or 3?
It's 4-3. It's 4-3.
Okay, thank you. Oh, we got 3 of them here.
Really?
Or no, maybe not. Okay.
Heavy hauler 4.
Yeah, okay, I guess I was in the right one. Okay, yeah, you're right. 3's already empty, so he's ready for the next pickup of material. Looks like we're short 2 purple things, palette elements. So I'll have to have those.
Check in the warehouse. We have 2 on the train.
Yep. So yeah, I'll get those ones out of the warehouse. See if we can get them delivered up here.
Side should be done any second.
Okay, let's see where the loading area is on this job. I don't see a loading area, unless it's right there to your left. Is that the loading area to your left? Let's see. Doesn't say loading area. Okay, let's go to company, warehouse. Oh, we only got 1 at our warehouse. Okay, I don't know where they're gonna show up out here though, so I guess we can find out. See where they show up. Can you tell me what job that soccer stadium is and what place it is, if it's the first slot or the second slot? I don't remember.
It's in the 3rd slot. The 3rd one.
The soccer one is?
Yeah, the soccer one. It's on the 3rd slot.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, this is the loading area right here. I was thinking it was. So, okay, so we got those here. Okay, I'm gonna let you finish that, and then I gotta boom over the bridge to get those products, so I'll wait for you to be done.
3 joined.
Yep, I see. Thank you. Hey, Matt, you got a mic? You need to have a mic to be in my game. You got a mic, Matt? You'll need to answer pretty quick. Is that
He
you,
has a
Matt?
mic on here.
Is that you, Matt? You got your mic on, Matt?
Matt left.
Okay. Guess he didn't want to communicate. I don't know, understand why people wouldn't want to communicate on a job like these in this game. It's fucking idiotic.
Okay, I finished the side that I'm closest to.
Okay, go ahead and drive down there behind you, and don't try to go across that dirt spot right there where your boom is, because you'll get high centered. So turn around and drive around the guardrail down there where you can go around it, and then pull up and do that other side, please.
Okay.
You'll have to move the concrete truck. Yep, thank you. You might as well, while you're in that truck, just pull it all the way over there on the other side while you're in it. Keep it out of the way for the pump truck to get in the way, then you just got to drive it a short distance to hook up to it.
Wait, hold up. I'll be right back. I need to go get my coffee real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, JR, you got a mic?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, copy. If you want to meet us over here at the pedestrian bridge, I'll get you laid out.
I'm going.
Okay. Okay, so are you proficient at everything, or is there only certain things that you do, or what?
Some stuff.
Like what stuff? Are you there? Hey, JR. I don't know where he went. He was right here next to me, and I was talking to him, and then he chose not to answer me and take off. So, in my opinion, what he was doing is trying to fuck shit up. This pedestrian bridge is pretty cool. Hey, Al, you got a mic? You can't be in my game without a mic. So if you want to play in this game, you need to say something pretty quick. Yeah, I did. I slept. So I didn't get up today till 11 in the afternoon. Yeah, no, I haven't had an A&W yet. I usually just save those for my one meal.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
You want me to back up the truck?
Yeah, I got to reposition. I'm not able to reach where I need to go. So go ahead and bring it over here because I'm going to be in that lane and you'll be trapped over there. Yeah, it's a pedestrian bridge for a soccer stadium. So this is the first phase of it. It's a DLC. Every part of this soccer stadium is a campaign.
Ah, finally, we're almost about to finish. All this concrete and then all material.
Yeah. I think my stabilizer's probably going to hit. Yep, it did. Hey, will you jump up in that crane and pick this piece up next to me and set it up there on the bridge, please?
I don't see the materials. Need to set them up so then I can see.
No, it's these big roofs, dude. This roof. Right here.
I don't see it. I don't see it on my screen.
Okay, you need to reboot, dude. You're lagging. You got to close your application and come back. That's why.
Okay, let me just
Okay.
close my application.
Yeah, close your application. Don't just go to the start screen. You got to close the whole game down and restart it back up. I don't know. What do you call it?
Alright, I'm back.
Okay, you can go ahead and run this crane and set these ceiling pieces for the skywalk.
Alright, I'm coming.
Thank you.
Okay, let me see if I... Okay, now I see the roof pieces. Okay, now yeah.
Okay,
So
yeah,
you were
jump.
right, Omega. It was lag.
Yeah, you can just look at my stream too, and you would have seen them. Okay, go ahead and jump in that crane. Jump in the crane.
I put them down.
Welcome back.
What's going on?
Not much, buddy. You can go ahead and pick up where you left off out over there on the runway.
Roger that.
Thank you. Okay, go ahead and finish pumping, Langra. Go ahead and finish pumping. You got a mic? Hello, you got a mic? Hey, Ed, you got a mic?
Now I can hear you. That's weird.
Okay.
Yeah, I was probably using range one. Alright, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, go ahead and start pumping.
Alright. I'm gonna dump it.
Okay, I started another job out here at the airfield.
Gosh darn, these last trees are getting in my way.
It's called Equipment Hall. Oh, I gotta remove topsoil. Over here.
Yes. Oh. Yes, we're almost. Let's go.
Okay,
Oh, shit.
tell me what comes up next, Langra.
construction site approval. I need to find the freaking guy.
But yeah, go ahead and talk to him. Finish up that job.
I think you have to do it, Omega, because I can't for some reason. It's not triggering.
Okay, I'll be over.
I think I'm experiencing Get near him, but nothing.
Okay, it's because there's stuff in the area. Look, clear the construction site, dude.
Oh.
That's why. Got to pay attention to.
Do I store the...
No, just back it. No, we got other jobs going. We'll just take it from here to the next job. Just back everything out of the way. Now you'll be able to talk to him.
The heavy haulers.
Okay, go ahead.
No, we don't need to clear the heavy haulers.
Go ahead and speak with the architect.
Speak with the architect.
I can see this is going to be an easy match. I'm not complaining. You're really good with the asphalt mixer. I mean the concrete mixer. Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, which soccer club is your favorite? If it's not Friedenberg, I'm afraid I'll have to show you the red card. Don't worry, I'm only joking. At least until Friedenberg gets knocked out of the cup again.
Okay, chances are we're going to use. Chances are we're going to use all this stuff for the soccer stadium. So we're leaving it all here, and I'm going to start the next phase at the soccer stadium.
I think the research that I got from YouTube, we're gonna need excavating for this one. I think.
Well, it'll tell us. It'll
Excavation.
it'll tell us, dude. Don't worry, I got it. Just relax.
Okay.
It's a $3 million job. It's Grandstand Stadium. Okay, I want you to take, if heavy hauler 1, go down the number on the heavy haulers. I want to make sure that we're using the lowest number ones first. See if heavy hauler 1's loaded up for the other job. If it is, go to heavy hauler 2. And as soon as you get to the first one that's empty, I need you to go pick up the materials for this job, the grandstand.
Alright, let me check if it's loaded up real quick. Let me go check.
Okay, there's a lot of materials, dude. So it'll probably be.
Heavy hauler 2 is in use. Heavy hauler 1 is at where the bridge was, so it's not being used right now.
Okay, so go pick up all the materials, auto load them, and get them on the trailer, and take it over to the new part of this grandstand, please. I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Make sure you click all the ones that are in red and get them to the exact amount that.
According to my schedule, we're working on the first stands today. I think it would be best to start with the roof, as the column foundations need to set properly before they can support anything. If you tackle them first, there should be enough time in between. Aside from that, only the stands need to be put in. But I don't want to keep you for too long. So good luck.
Okay, so make sure, Langra, that you click all the stuff that's in red. So complete everything that's in red. So
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah, go all the way to the end so you don't miss anything.
Okay, fine with this. Okay, everything for what is should be loaded up. What the fuck? I just bought the goddamn materials. Where are they?
They should be on the truck, man. If you did auto load, what do you mean?
I did do auto load. Can't find them.
It should be on the trailer. If you did it right, they'll be on the trailer.
Hold on, let me just. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, let me.
You got to be in the parking lot. Listen, you got to be in the parking lot of the materials place, and then you auto load it, and it'll work. So you didn't do something right.
I have auto load on. I have all the materials. Let me just check what it says, cause no suitable transport vehicle is available, or there's not enough space in the loading area. What is you talking about? There's nothing on the trailer.
Okay, so did you send it to one of the job sites?
It was at the bridge job site. We were doing it, but that's it. It was only at the job. It was only at the bridge.
You had to choose. You had to choose the bridge. Well, you didn't want to choose the bridge. You needed to auto load in the yard. The first box is auto load in the yard. Auto load means it's loading the trailer in their yard. So you did something wrong.
I know it's auto load. I'm doing that. I have everything done. It's not working.
Okay, I'm coming over. Figure out what you did wrong. Ugh. Because you didn't click everything, dude. You didn't even click everything. I'm looking at everything in red right here. You never even clicked any of it. You didn't go into the catalog and order everything. So I'll do it. So get off the trailer.
I did click it.
Okay, well, get off the trailer, please. Okay, well, if you did, then you're still lagging. So your internet must be not that good right now, or a bunch of people on it at your house. I'm clicking everything. If you see my stream, dude, nothing was clicked. So see, I just clicked everything. I just clicked everything. You go to checkout, auto load, purchase. Okay, that means it can't load everything. So then what you do is you go back to the catalog and you start taking some of the stuff off. That's the awkward shaped stuff. So that way it can get it on. So I'm going to take off. Let's take these off. Take off those. Now we'll see if it works. Okay, it's still got to take more off. This is how you do it, so it'll load up. So I'm going to take these off. Okay, let's see if it'll load that up. You're not standing on the trailer, are you?
No, I'm just looking at it.
Okay, well, yeah. Stand back a ways from it. I don't know if it's triggering because you're too close to it. Okay, so if you're back farther, let's see. Okay, no, there's still too much. Okay, so what we're going to take off next is, let's take off. We'll take a bunch of these off. Get 10. Okay, still too much. We'll take all of them off. Wow. Your truck's in the parking lot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's crazy. Oh, I know why. It's the rebar mesh. You can't get those side by side. That's what it is. So we'll take all the rebar off. We'll go back to 16 of those and let's see if it loads up. Okay, go back. Let's take 6 of those off. Okay, still too much. This is a huge load. Okay, we'll take all of these off. Okay, now it loaded up. Okay, now don't leave yet because I'm going to see if I can get a few more pieces on. So what you do then in this scenario is you go back to a few more pieces and see if you can get them on. So let's see, here's 2 of these.
Hold up, I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, it's fully loaded then. Okay, that's pretty much fully loaded. There's that much space. Let's see what we can get in there. I think a rebar. Rebar should fit. Or actually, let's see if we can get 2 of those.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, you're fully loaded. So what you need to do is find the next available trailer on down the line. What number was that one? 1?
Yeah, number 1.
Okay, and then see if 2, then go 2, 3, 4. Whichever one is the next emptiest one, bring it over here and we'll get the rest of the supplies on them, please. So that needs to go to the grandstand. So get that up there to the grandstand, please.
Alright.
Oh, I know why it didn't load up, because you were just a temp employee. You weren't a foreman or employee, so that's why. That's why. So now it should work. So now you click all the rest of the stuff in red. Make sure you go all the way to the end of the catalog so you don't miss anything. And then tell me when you get that trailer up there dropped off, and then tell me.
Okay, so
and then
go check out.
and then I'll load you up on the next situation.
I'm gonna check heavy hauler too if it's empty.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to tell me what everything you're doing, bro. I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm doing. So just figure it out and tell me when you get done with it. Okay. I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm doing here. So thank you. So you got what's that?
Look, I need to get off, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, so where did you get with all that so I know?
I got the rest of the materials loaded up onto heavy hauler number 4.
Okay, so it's just sitting there in the parking lot?
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. Good job today, bud. You be safe.
Alright.
See you, bud.
Bye.
How's it going over there, bud?
It's going, bud.
Nice. You having fun?
Just spreading some gravel on the ground.
Okay. And you know how to spread it. We're doing it light right now, remember? Instead of piling it up, because it's above. If it's above the grade, it's wasted. So spread it light, so we're not going through so much in gravel. And then what you do is just drive over it, and it'll flatten it.
It says to deliver and unload gravel. That's all it says.
Yeah, no, I'm just referring to your technique once you do start doing gravel. we're not piling it up like we were before. You remember we learned that in your game, so just spread it real thin over the whole area, and then we can go back and add a little bit more in certain areas instead of piling it up, coning it up real high.
Roger, roger.
Yeah, so the idea now is not to cone it up, is actually spread it out. Just keep it inside the yellow area, because anything outside the yellow area will be lost. Thank you. Hey, 77, you got a mic?
Ay, 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 ay.
What's up, buddy? Everything okay?
Yeah, this thing's starting to piss me off.
What's that?
This concrete room is glitching the fuck out.
Maybe your game's lagging?
No, no, not really.
Okay.
She's gonna play nice.
Right?
Doesn't matter how much I finesse or sweet talk her. In the end, she's never gonna give up that ass.
Right.
If you want, you can come help me do this big gravel spread.
Yep, I'm almost done with stripping this topsoil. I'll be right over as soon as I get done. %. Kidding me? There we go. Okay. We got both dump trucks out. Okay.
Shit, already at 98%.
There we go. You can just leave the gravel in your truck because I got another job that needs gravel instead of selling it. if you got some in it.
No cheat.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Do you listen to the music in this game?
You mean the stuff that plays in the background all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, me too. I like it. It's actually real soothing. I enjoy it. Good soundtrack.
Sometimes I'll put AC/DC, Van Halen, and all them classic rocks on when I'm doing this shit.
Oh yeah, me too. Sometimes like when I first started playing today, I was playing my music until somebody got in, which was Langra was the first one in. Oh yeah, if you drive over what you laid in gravel, you get some percentages out of the piles that are a little higher. So if you start learning to do that, back over what you just laid, and then just pull forward and angle over at the end of your next slide over, you'll get any little extra percentage out of stuff that's pushes out to the sides.
Nice trick.
Yeah, exactly, dude. Any way to save money and be efficient. So when you're back dualies, I don't know if you know this or not, when you're dumping coming up to your line, as soon as your back dualies get on the line, you start dropping your box. If it's all the way up, then it'd be the front dualies. But if it's only about half down or up, then it's the back dualies. So that way it stays inside the yellow. like the sound of the rocks hit under the tires, that sound. God, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Job well done. Got my main foreman. Hey, Univritz. You got a mic? You got a mic, Univritz? You can't be in my game without a mic.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Sounds good, buddy. Hello. What's up, JR? You there, JR?
What's up, Slick?
Hey, how you doing today?
Good.
Good. So, if you want to come over here to the equipment hall, I'll get you laid out.
There we go.
Okay. You want to make sure you track this job. The default is it does it on the first job, so you'll have to track this one.
I got you.
I can hear my voice either echo in your mic or whatever. Oh, there you go. Thank you. So yeah, go ahead and roll these two little pads. I almost got this one done, and then there's another little pad over here to roll. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the runway part 2 job. I got 3 jobs going. I don't know what you said, Josh. Oh, nice. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we're doing a soccer stadium, and we're doing two different things out there at the airport, a runway and the vehicle hall, I think it's called. So that's what you're on right now, is the vehicle hall out at the airport. Yep, lots of work, Josh. That way I can keep everybody busy, including myself. Full-time operation going on here. Yes, it does, buddy. So let me know, JR, when you get done with that phase of it, and I'll come over and check out what the next one is and get you laid out. Okay, concrete beams, pallet wood, rebar bench. Did you hear me, JR?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Oh, what are you purchasing goods for? JR, what are you purchasing good?
I'm on to the next step here.
Oh, what is it?
I gotta get construction materials.
No, they're all there. No. No, they're already all there. They should be all there.
This guy purchased it all already.
Was the icon in red?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I didn't purchase them for this. So did you find an empty trailer? JR?
What's up? What do I need a trailer for?
What did you have where did it go then?
I didn't. It was rejected.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, like I said, I wanted you to tell me when you got done with the next phase. I don't want you just doing stuff on your own, dude. I want to.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, I want to run my jobs, dude. This is how chaos happens. There's a certain particular way I like to do things. I don't like people just making their decision in my game.
I got you.
Thank you. I would do the same for you in your game.
Alright, boss man, I gotta run to the store real quick, so.
You can stay in the game if you're going to come back. That's fine. Just, get out of the area and don't be in a piece of equipment. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, bud.
Okay, I am back, finally.
Nice. I might have to close the application and come back. I can't jump in my pump truck and I can't drive it. It won't move. So, you mind saving and jumping out for a minute and coming back?
Yep.
Yeah, you might want to close yours too at the same time, so we'll both be fresh.